Hey guys, it's Marquita. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Norvina makeup palette, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about what I think about this palette. I've had it for some time, but let's get into it. So first, I'm taking my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I love this foundation. It's like the perfect shade for my skin. I'm shaking it up right now, and I'm going to apply it. It gives me a nice, smooth finish, hides any blemishes that you may have. And yeah, I mean, not to say that you need to hide anything, but if you want to and you really wanted to hide it, it's a full coverage foundation. And I've had it for a while, but I don't really use it that much because I just feel like I like to use like regular natural like foundations on day-to-day basis. This is more of like a I'm going somewhere type of foundation, but I thought it fit perfectly for this look. Just with one application, you can already see how much that NARS Radiant foundation covered up my skin. So you don't really need that much. And now I'm taking my favorite Tarte Shape Tape. Right now you see me just like adding a little bit and just working it on my eyelids, just for like a little bit of a base to brighten up the eyelids, because I always look like I'm sleepy. It's probably because I am, but anyway, so yeah, I'm just applying this everywhere that might be like dark or anything like that it can like smoothen out. Now I'm just looking in the mirror. I'm like, yeah, I look so good. Once you're satisfied with me, you could leave it like this if you're me, but that's not the purpose of today's video. So we're gonna add more. We're gonna be extra. For all you extra girls out there, it's good to be extra sometimes. So now I'm taking my powder and I'm just rubbing it on my face. It's the same powder I always use. Now for today's event, the special introducing makeup palette, Norvina. Inspired, it looks just like my top, inspired look from this palette. This is all of the shades that come in the palette, just showing you guys. Take my soft ochre paint pot so I can, you know, make sure that the makeup lasts long, because eyeshadow is going to run away from me throughout the day. Taking that purple cool shade that's already in there, and I'm just rubbing that in on my crease, and I'm just working it in with my Morphe blending brush. You really want to pack the shades in because they're really nice. Love the shades that come in this palette. A lot of people were questioning like if it was good for like people with a more brown skin tone. But I think I like it for my skin tone. It doesn't really flush out too much, especially the lighter colors. I feel like if you just add a base, then you're good to go. So now I'm just adding that soft ochre paint pot over top of it, and so I can get like, you know, a more clean finish. And I'm taking that purple shade that's in the palette. I think it's called Celestial. I'm taking Celestial, and I'm just working that in. Taking my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just blending the like passion color inside my crease, just to get like a more definition. You guys also saw me go in that Frozen palette, and that was just to get like this little cool shade. I would tell you guys what the shade I use, but you guys probably don't have that palette since it's been discontinued. And then this is how I do my brows. I don't really do too much. I'm not really crazy with my brows. And I'm just smoothing that out because I like my brows kind of natural. My thoughts on this palette would be that I really do love the colors. They're really vibrant, and I think it's worth the money. I think that all of Anastasia Beverly Hills have like the same amount of like, you know, like same price point. And now everybody's favorite, the highlight. I think the highlight really made this look so glamorous. And now we're going to be putting some glitz on our shoulders. Just if you want to be really extra, say you got a photo shoot or something coming up, just go ahead and apply that on your like shoulder, like your collarbones. I said shoulder, but put it on your shoulder too. I'm rambling, but anyway, put that on your shoulder. Take this shimmer body oil from Anastasia's Beverly Hills. Rub that on. Rub it in, work it in, work it in. And you're ready for your photo shoot if you had one to go to.